Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the enums, right? Numeric enums as well as string enums. So today we'll be discussing about the const enums. So when I say const enums, so let's see what it does and let's see the same thing with a very simple example. Let's try to implement the same with the example, right? So const enums optimize the performance by inlining enum values at the compile time, reducing the overhead. So this is simple to understand, right? Basically what it does here, const enums optimize the performance by inlining enum values at the compile time, reducing the overhead. Let's try to understand the same thing with a very simple example. So I'll quickly come here. The first example, let's try with the const enums initially. So next, let's try with the example using const enums in the calculations, right? So first example, let's go with the const enums. I'll quickly give here const enum. I'll just name this one log level. So within this one, what I'll do, I'll just give here info one as well as error. So this one, let me keep let it be here itself, and current level, I'll just give here log level. This one has to be log level dot let me give here one, right? So I have considered info one and error. I'll just pass the one here. So next, let's quickly log something here. I'll just give here console log of I have considered the current level here, right? Let's pass the current level here. So whatever I have done here, so I'll just explain whatever I have written here basically. So the const enum here, whatever I have considering here, this one is replaced directly by its value during the compilation. Again, I'm telling why usually we make use of the const enum, because the const enum here is replaced directly by its value during the compilation. This is simple to understand, right? Again, I'm telling this is important basically. The const enum here, this is replaced directly by its value during the compilation. And log level dot one, whatever I have used here, this one. Log level dot one I have used here, right? This one. So this one, this is inlined as 1, reducing the runtime overhead. This is inlined as 1, this one, log level dot one, whatever I have used here, this one, this is inlined as 1, basically reducing the runtime overhead, right? So I hope the concept is completely clear. So let's try to this one run the code. We have to get the 1. As I have said, log level dot one is this one. It is inlined as 1, reducing the time overhead. Then we have to get the output 1 itself, right? Well, we run the code. Let's try to run the code now. So yeah, we are getting the output 1, which is absolutely correct. So first we saw the example const enums, and the second one, let's go with using the const enums in the calculations quickly, right? The next example, I'll quickly delete this one. Let me erase this one. So I'll just let's go with the second example. I'll quickly come here. Let me give here const enum. I'll just name this one metrics. So within this one, we are using this one for the calculation, right? I'll just quickly take some easy this one. I'll just set the width to 100 and height to 200. Something, any random number you can consider. I'll just take this one, 100 and 200. I'll set the width. I have set the width to 100 and height to 200, right? I'll just quickly come out of this one and let me give here. Let me log metrics dot width I have considered right here into metrics dot length height I have considered, right? Sorry, here height. So the output that we need to get here is 100 into 200, nothing but we need to get output 100 into 200 and 20,000 we need to get, right? So I'll just come here, let me explain what I have done here, then let's try to run the code. Here enum members are replaced directly with their return value. Again, I'm telling enum members are replaced directly with their literal value. Metrics dot width, whatever I have used here, this one is replaced by 100. Again, I'm telling metrics dot width, this one is replaced by 100 and matrix.height, whatever I have used here, this one is replaced by 200, right? So I hope this is completely clear. The output that we need to get here is 20,000. Let's see. So we are getting the output 20,000, which is absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of using the const enums in calculations as well as const enums is completely clear, right? Nothing but I hope the concept of const enums is completely clear. So next, let's discuss about the module, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.